Hey, my friend, short and sweet video for you. Daniel here, and we're talking about myEcon, specifically the global launch and expansion as myEcon grows from USA only to an international global company. And yes, my friend, I can't share the picture with you, but I have the message right here on my phone, direct from none other than Ivy, who is the co-founder of myEcon. Global, as of right now, at the time of this video, is 30 to 45 days away. And again, at the time of this video, should be about, before the end of the year, which is really, really exciting. And think about this, combine that with the fact that every single year around Christmas time, basically from like Black Friday through the holidays, myEcon always does a promo where they, literally you can get in for like $10. It's crazy. So think about this. I want you to think about momentum. I want you to think about timing. I want you to think about positioning. I want you to think about every possible way that you could just get out of the gate and smash it with myEcon right now. There's going to be a promo coming up. Every time this happens, I mean, they add thousands and thousands of people. Usually it's between like 5 to 10,000 people they add around the holidays because of this promo. And combine that with a global launch, and it's just going to get out of control. It's going to get insane. Like, I'm literally fired up, like sitting on the edge of my seat right now. So if you're not in myEcon, if you're sitting on the fence, get the frig off the fence right now, my friend, and get on the inside. Link in the description down below. Get started. Be on the inside. Trust me. Don't be one of those people that just waits. Like, you're waiting for the promo, or you're waiting for global, you're waiting for this. Like, there is never going to be a perfect moment, but there is as close to a perfect moment as there is right now. And you will never find this again. You will never find this moment right now ever again. If you're looking at myEcon, get in on the inside. Stop standing there on the outside, looking, doubting, debating, pondering, wondering, wishing, hoping. Get in here. Get in here. Worst case scenario, you get on the inside, you don't like what you see, get your damn money back. It's win-win. You cannot lose. End of story. But I can tell you right now, early movers, the first movers, are going to win the biggest. The people that are on the inside before the global launch, those are the people that are going to win the biggest. Like me right now, our whole team, and the people we keep bringing in before the global launch. You want to be in here before this launches globally. Now, if you're outside of the USA right now, you're watching this video, what you could do, link in the description down below. I have a page, literally looks just like this. Okay, you can go there. You can put your name and email on my list. You'll be on my first movers list. And I am communicating with you and letting you know as we get close to launch date, so you could be ready and you can get in before the massive wave, before the massive global launch. You'll be able to lock in a spot and get in early before this goes absolutely crazy. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos about the global predictions over 2025 and into 2026 and beyond, in a nutshell, right now, myEcon has about 80,000 active members. And I'm just predicting that in the next 6, 12 to maybe 24 months, that is going to more than double. So the real question is, like, do you want to be in before all that massive growth happens? Or do you just want to sit on the outside and watch everyone have success and watch everyone else win and keep doubting and keep debating and keep pondering? Or do you want to get in and be part of this? Like, imagine, take yourself back to when Google first launched, when Amazon first launched. Most people didn't know about it. Most people scoffed at it. And they're like, it's just another thing. It's just another thing. How about when Bitcoin launched? That's not going to do anything. Cryptocurrencies, those aren't going to go anywhere. This past week, cryptocurrencies, and specifically Bitcoin, just hit $93,000. And people scoffed at it when it was $200. So you can sit there and have those doubts, have those fears, and keep on waiting for that perfect moment. Or you could get in right now because it's about to get crazy. And I can tell you, I'm not even just going to, mention it. I'm going to promise it. 2025 is going to be an epic, awesome, and amazing year for the people that are here on our team. I can promise you that. We keep continuing on our team to put out more funnels, more sales pages, more tools, more resources for you to win with myEcon. It's just going to continue to keep getting better. So you have two choices: sit there and do jack shit, or get in on the inside and take massive advantage. It's your call. I would choose the second option if I were you, but it's totally up to you. Anyway, that is it. Wanted to give you that update as of right now. Today, the 15th of November, 2024. The global launch is about 30 to 45 days away. Should be here before the end of this year. It's just going to get awesome, my friends. Be on the inside before this goes crazy. I mean, think about this, and I've shared this with you in so many other videos, and then we'll wrap up. We're already bringing in about 300 plus people per week. 300 plus people per week right now. And this is just USA only. When this goes global, forget about it. Forget, like, I don't even want, I mean, I do want to predict some numbers, but it's just going to get crazy. It's going to get absolutely crazy. So I hope you make the smart choice, my friend. Hit the links below. Lock in with us now if you're here in the United States. If you're outside the United States, hit the other link below and get on my first movers list. So you will know right to the day when this goes live and you can get in before everybody else. Thank you, my friend. It's exciting times. Can't wait to see you on the inside. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.